now, because it's getting difficult to use the fingers, because it's a bit crowded, then you start using the thumbs. And do the final lines towards the top of the head. And you thumb strips across the forehead, however many strips it takes depending on how tall their forehead is and how thick your thumbs are. Do 3 sets. And do thumb circles in between the eyebrows. Do a lot of thumb circles in between the eyebrows because it's the second best area in Chinese medicine for relieving stress. So a lot of finger circles between the eyebrows. Then bring it up into the top of the forehead. And split your hands apart and go across the top of the head, top of the forehead, and back across to the middle. Back across to the side. Back to the middle. Do a lot of work on the temples, because the temples are the best spot there is in Chinese medicine for relieving stress. And go across the upper part of the cheek. And back across the lower part of the cheek. And do a lot of work on the TMJ, the temporomandibular joint, the jaw joint, because many times people will clench their teeth or grind their teeth when they're under stress. Most people in the United States are under a lot of stress. So a lot of work on the temporomandibular joint. And do some work on the masseter muscle, which closes the jaw. And go back across the upper part of the maxilla. And back across the lower part of the maxilla. And back across the upper part of the mandible. And back across the lower part of the mandible. And around the ear. Then massage the ears between your fingers 3 times back and forth. Careful with if they're wearing any earrings. And cup their ears. Try and give them the sound of the ocean like they were listening to a seashell. And then just gently release. And that's the basic Swedish massage. We'll also in the future do reflexology, lymph massage, acupressure, shiatsu, trigger points, chair massage, sports massage, many, many different types of massage. In the advanced classes we do nutrition, physical therapy aid, advanced massage, homeopathic practitioner, herbologist, holistic health practitioner, Oriental studies, and neurostructural bodywork, energetic and intuitive healing classes, etc., etc., etc.